What's up, guys? You like my outdoor studio? I know a lot of you probably clicked on the video because you saw the hole in my leg on the thumbnail. And no, it's not clickbait. I do have a hole in my leg. Right now it's bandaged, but you will see it. Just, you gotta wait a second. Actually more than a second, maybe a few minutes. I wanna go over some updates for you guys and just general things, kind of what's happening. So first off, you guys, I know the situation and everything that's happening in the world. I really hope everyone is healthy, safe. The job, the economy, there's so many unknowns, and it's frightening in a lot of ways. But I really hope everyone is safe and healthy. You guys, my international audience, my Vietnamese audience, everybody who's watching, because I'm sure everyone is experiencing something of another. Losing a job, stuck at home, maybe sick, family member, a friend. It's just a really shitty situation, and I think everybody hopes it's going to improve very, very soon. So that's the first thing that I want to say, you guys. I hope everyone is doing well. So for me, if you guys are wondering how I'm doing, yeah, I'm doing well. Besides the hole in my leg, I'm doing okay. And thankfully, my parents and my family, everybody is healthy as well. My dad, he's been making some knives. I had him record a video. Let me show you.
Xin chào. One dagger. 2 daggers. My killer folding Bowie knife. Last but not least, I bought and made Mom her own knife, a garter dagger, with a 6-inch serpentine blade. Xin chào. Xin chào.
My dad. And then my mom, she's a seamstress, if you guys don't know, so she likes to sew and make all sorts of things. But my mom has been making all sorts of girly face masks for her friends and different people that she's starting to create and donating. Those are how my parents are doing, because you guys have probably seen the videos with my parents in the past. If you haven't, definitely check those out. Those are from August, October, so you guys can go through and find those. And I'm sure many of you guys miss Soup Sick as well. Soup Sick is trying to catch stuff right now, but let me flip the camera. So there's Soup Sick right there. That's her butt. She's trying to catch a lizard right now. But yeah, Soup Sick's doing good. She's doing her Soup Sick thing. And I've been playing fetch with Soup Sick, so she loves playing fetch in the morning. I've gotten a lot of comments talking about like Fullbook, I shouldn't be traveling, but Fullbook videos, if you guys did not pick up and watch the full video or even read some of the comments, that was filmed about a month, maybe over a month at this point ago. So I've been home for an entire month just at my house. But yes, I have been busy. Let me show you some things that I'm doing, because, you know, I'm on my red chair right here, but if I come right here, do you see that? Yes, I started a garden. But the problem is, let me flip the camera so you can see the problem. I know you can see some green growing right now. And you see this? There's some dead onions in here, in this onion. And then I have a bunch of empty bottles right here. And I was drying some oranges out as well. And you can see this is growing right here. Okay? I got a rat trap right there and a rat trap right here. I have a rat problem, you guys. And I have declared war on rats. I cannot grow a garden because of rats. If you saw this garden maybe a week or 2 weeks ago, I had beautiful sweet potatoes growing. I had onions growing. I had some other nut growing. I got a bunch of stuff growing. Like this thing right here, this one. It's empty. It shouldn't be empty because rats keep eating my stuff. I've caught 3 rats already. Actually, I take that back. I've caught 2 rats and I shot one with my slingshot, but I have declared war on rats. So I started a garden a while ago. So you guys, this is my outdoor cooking area that I fixed up and cleaned. But yeah, smoker right there, stuff for recycling right here. A bee. Cooking, for what I was saying. But let me show you my new gym. I relocated my gym and I kind of built a bunch of stuff. But you can see behind me, there's a bunch of exercise equipment. Yes, before the hole in my leg and the infection, abscess, I was doing all sorts of exercise. I'm still doing some exercises now, but my energy is still a bit low because of the infection, but it's getting better. This is my arm wrestling table minus the dishes. So arm wrestling table, some bands, got some weights right there, my rocks, my bamboo. Yes, I use all that stuff. It's quite dark in here. Got some rings, other bands. There's my hammock. So yeah, a bunch of stuff in here that I've been building. I have these tables here for weighted push-ups and other things that need to be elevated, but it's great. I love it. So been doing lots of exercising, lots of cooking. Gardening has been put on to a standstill because of the rats. And I'm going to kill them all, you guys. I'm in shock how much damage rats do to a garden. I can't grow anything without them digging it up. It drives me insane. So that's where I've been exercising. I've actually been exercising there probably for the last like 5-6 months, or home-based exercises. I haven't been to the gym for a while and still making those gains. And that pull-up you saw, that was 38 kilos for a triple. You guys can hear Soupsick barking in the background. I have no idea where she is, but you can see the stuff moving. She's disappeared looking for another animal of some sort. All right, change the topics. This is something that disappoints me quite a bit, but it's recently been brought to my attention that somebody made a fan page that's identical to my Facebook fan page, and somebody else has created another YouTube channel copying and reposting all my videos. But I already reported the other channel, so it's not really a big deal, and the fan page has been removed. But supposedly somebody got scammed for some money from this fan page. I want all of you guys to know, if you're going to try to reach me, my links, my contact names, and all the information are below in my description box. Please make sure if you're trying to reach me that you're using the appropriate name and link. So here is my Instagram, here is my personal Facebook, here is my TikTok, and here is my Facebook fan page. If you guys want to see what I'm doing on a daily basis, my Instagram and Facebook fan page are probably the best, and also my personal Facebook. Because right now I'm also in Vietnam, and everybody is aware of the situation that's happening all over the world. Right now we need to stay at our houses. Thankfully I'm at my house, and the property that I live on is huge. I can still do a lot of outdoor content and different things on my property, but when I'll be traveling, I don't know. I have no idea. So my content might be changing a little bit. I might do some talking videos, I might do some cooking videos, and I might be doing some local stuff and just kind of showing you guys a little bit more of my life. And as soon as we're allowed to start traveling again, I plan to do some more traveling. So I think the reason why you click this video is you want to see the hole in my leg. All right, let me show you. All right guys, if you're somebody who has a weak stomach, probably don't want to watch this, but here's my hole. No, I know it's pretty ugly. Don't worry, everything is improving. I got this cut open a couple days ago, and I actually need to disinfect it right now and clean it out very thoroughly and then re-bandage it up. So I'm not gonna make this video too long. If you're wondering how I got this, I have no idea how I got this. I've been at my home for over a month. I haven't been in the mud, I haven't been in the water, haven't gone fishing, haven't caught anything. I've just been at my house. So come be it. Yes, I've had 2 other infections in Vietnam living in Nha Trang, and I don't even know how I got those. My eye got infected and my foot got infected. My foot was, I think, from artificial turf playing on football, because I got some cuts on it and then got infected. My eyes, no idea. Maybe swimming in the ocean or something, but yeah, it was just a freak infection, both of them. But I haven't had an infection in maybe 3 or 4 years, so good timing. First one on my YouTube channel. Yeah. So don't be like me, you guys, because I tried opening this 3-4 days ago with a razor blade, and I'm telling you, that hurt so bad. This is coming from somebody who gets hurt quite often. I think my pain tolerance is maybe higher than the average person, and that killed. Don't be like me, you guys. Despite my medical background and coming to Vietnam as a medical volunteer and having studied a lot of stuff, I'm very careful with how I do it. I'm very hygienic, but don't do that. If you have some sort of abscess or infection, make sure you go to the doctors. I was very fortunate because it was a very quick procedure. I was in and out, it's done, on my way, and now I just need to keep cleaning it for the next week every day, changing the bandages, disinfecting it, and so forth. And it's looking good. I know it looks pretty bad right now. Let's have another close-up. Yeah, I know it looks bad, but I'm feeling good, because usually when you get infection, sometimes you'll have the fever, get the chills, you'll have different symptoms, and today I'm doing good. I did some pull-ups earlier, so back to exercise after a few days. Did some towel pull-ups, and yeah, I'm feeling better. I'm not 100%, but I'm feeling good. So hopefully I'll have a quick recovery. And with the situation right now that's happening all over the world, and especially in Vietnam, I've been at my house, but if things hopefully improve, maybe I'll be doing more traveling soon and jumping right back into the mud and the water and doing my usual stuff. Again, I have no idea how I got this. No idea. Absolutely no idea. But I don't want to leave it open because it's a big hole. I would say it's maybe 2-3 centimeters deep. It's looking better today. But okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my hole. And don't worry, you guys, everything is okay. But on the other note, I won't be going in the water anytime soon, nor the mud. I need to make sure I do not get this reinfected. I need it to heal and close. So that's another reason for my content. For you guys, which would really help me out, please leave some comments and different things you'd like to maybe see me do at my house, or content that requires no traveling. And also, I will be doing another about me video. I get asked a lot of questions about me. So if you're curious and want to ask me a question, put it in the comments below. If it gets a lot of likes, I'll be able to see it. I can't promise I'll answer it. Sometimes I get asked some really weird, ridiculous, just crazy questions. So please be PG with your questions. Just a quick update with me, you guys. Everybody at home, I hope you're doing well, and continue that wellness, because it's just an absolutely, it's surreal and it's crazy what's happening in the world right now. So for you guys, make sure to have a great day. Take care, and tạm biệt. I'll see you later, hopefully with another video soon.